আমরা এক্সারসাইজের অঙ্কে চলে এসেছি। দেখো ফার্স্ট টাইম বলেছে যে অঙ্কটা যে হুইচ টার্ম অফ দ্য এপি উইল বি 55 মোর দ্যান দ্য T20 টার্ম। এই এপি সিরিজটার মধ্যে কত নম্বর টার্মটা হবে T20 টার্ম প্লাস 55। সো তোমার এখানে TN ইকুয়ালস টু আমরা লিখতে পারি এ মানে 3 প্লাস n-1 ইন্টু ডি ফর এখানে 5, 8 minus 3 equals to 5, therefore T20 plus 55. So therefore এখানে 3 plus 5n minus 5 equals to T20 plus 55. Therefore T20 equals to আমরা এখানে ক্যালকুলেট করতে পারি a plus n minus 1, that is 19 into d মানে 5 plus 55. এখানে 3 minus 5 equals to minus 2 plus 5n. Therefore 5n equals to 19 into 5, 95 plus 3, 98, 98 minus 2 পাশে গেলে 100, 100 plus 55 equals to 155. n equals to 155 divided by 5 equals to 31. So P is 52 and 17 term of the AP is 20 more than the 13 term of the AP. Then find AP. Okay, so let's start. T10 we can write it is A plus 9D equals to 52, and then T17 equals to we can write A plus 16D equals to T13 A plus 12D plus 20. Therefore if we calculate this equation, then A will be cut on and 16D minus 12D equals to 4D equals to 20. Therefore D equals to 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. So here it is D equals to 5. Then we can put D equals to 5 in that equation and A plus 9 into D. Therefore D equals to 5 equals to 52. So A equals to 52 minus 9 into 4, 9 5 is 45, 52 minus 45 equals to 7. So A equals to 7. Therefore we can write the required AP. A equals 7, 7 plus 5 equals to 12, 12 plus 5 equals to 7, and here is on as it is, so on. Why we can write this type? Because find the 8 term of the AP from the end. So if we calculate from the end to the beginning, then we can write this equation, this series. So here the last term is 184, but now it is the first term. So T8 equals to A plus n minus 1, n minus 1 equals to 8 minus 1 equals 7 into D for 3, because 8 minus 8. So here it is minus 3, because 181 minus 184, so minus 3 will be the D, and 184 minus 3 into 7 equals to 21. Therefore 3 163. Then the question is minus 150 is the term in this AP. So if we consider that is yes, then minus 150 equals to A equals for 11 plus n minus 1 into D equals to 8 minus 11 equals to minus 3. Therefore 11 minus 3n plus 3, and if we calculate plus 3 minus 3 and 11 minus 11, therefore minus 3n, therefore minus 153, 163, 164 minus 3n. Therefore n equals to 164 by 3. So here it is the number which is not the natural number, it is the rational number, therefore it is impossible. Now we can go for the last question. The question is, if the fourth term of this AP equals to 11 and the sum of the fifth term and the seventh term of the AP equals to 34, therefore find out the common difference of this AP. So we can write it as a plus 3d equals to 11, and here we can write a plus 4d plus a plus 6d equals to 34. Therefore a plus a equals to 2a and 4d plus 6d equals to 10d, 34. Therefore a plus 5d equals to 7 if we divide 2 for both sides. Therefore this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So if we calculate then 2 minus 1, so a will be deducted and 5d minus 3d equals to 2d and 17 minus 11 equals to 6. Therefore d equals to 3.